everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make cutoff jeans. I had a pair of jeans that I got, they had holes in the knees, and then as soon as I started wearing them again, the knees just split open. They split up the thigh and looked terrible. So I decided to make them into cutoffs. So if you would like to see how I did this, please watch all the way through to the end. I find that I fuck up a lot of denim because I don't make them long enough. So I'll show you how I do it. So thanks a lot for watching. Please watch all the way through the end. Like and subscribe, and let's get started. Why? They fit so good, but they started off with small, little, so cute holes, and this is what they've blown out to. So we're gonna make cutoff shorts. I'm so excited about these. When you get a pair of jeans and they have little slits in them, they're not gonna last, especially if they're on the knee. So I was thinking about patching them. I have this denim that does not fit me, but it's really cute. So I was gonna patch them up, but decided let's just do cutoffs because summer's coming. And even though I can't be around people, well, nobody should be around people, still gonna go for walks. So take your jeans that have, as soon as you sit down in them, they're going to end up like this, and it does not look cute. And let's make cutoffs. So, I'm actually gonna put them back on. Start with them on, because if you just go into them and cut, they may be too short or too long. Too long is better than too short, but too short is terrible. Okay, put back on. You basically want them, or I want them to be a little bit further down. I don't want them too high up. This is a good place to start. I still feel like that's a little bit too long for what I'm going for. So I'm gonna start here. I would get a pen. Let's do that. Hold on. And a marker. So what I would do is kind of visualize yourself where you want your shorts to be, and then maybe do it an inch or so longer, because they're gonna fray, so they're gonna get a little bit shorter. So let's start probably around, maybe there. Put a little mark. Just start with one side. See what that does. How did I get marker on me already? Oh, I can't have nice nails. Okay. Start there. Best thing to do is put it on a flat surface. Perfect. I have, these are just scissors that came with my knives. So this is basically how your jeans are going to, or what I believe your jeans are going to fit onto your body. So it's going to be a little bit higher here and a little bit lower in the front. Take your scissors. Cut through. This will actually work because I have another pair of jeans that have holes like this, which are terrible. So you can either eyeball it, which I'm going to do, or you can, this is probably an easier way. Flip that over. You can mark it if you want, but these are cut off, so no one cares. Take your scissors and make your first cut. I like to flip them up just so I don't end up cutting these again. Just cut straight across. Yeah, it's not going to be perfect. These are going to fray. Hold on to these because sure as shit you're going to need to patch things up. So that is going to be your cutoff shorts. Let's try them on. So if you want to fray them faster, you can take your scissors and just run it along the frayed edge. So you can start fraying them and pulling them yourself. Or you can take your fingernails and start pulling the seam and pulling them up. But for me, that's good enough. Or just throw them into the laundry or wash them. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way through. These are the denim shorts. This will be good. It's yesterday or the first day of spring? I don't know, I'm quarantined. These will be, they fit really well. They're high-waisted. I love Levi's. These are 721 high-rise skinny jeans. I wear a size 30. These are great, beautiful jeans, but they ripped all the wrong places. So I made them into cutoffs. Alright, so this is your cutoff short. Like I said, it's gonna look too perfect right now, but this is eventually gonna fray. All you have to do is put them in the wash once, or you can just pull them. That way, there's a little bit more room. So when they do start to fray, they're not gonna be too short. If you want them a little shorter, then that's fine. It's easier to take away now than it is to add. So let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful to you. If you have any great tips, I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks.